Hey guys, this is the Trading for Dummies series brought to you by Mastermind Trading. Introduction. In the previous video, we looked at volume and volume analysis, as well as how traders can capitalize on the new information on the volume bar to improve their trading. Now, in this video, we want to look at a closely related concept, a tool basically. We want to look at volume profile trading and what it is, as well as how to trade with it. The volume profile is a tool developed by Dr. Steinpeter, and this tool basically looks at the distribution of volume along the price axis of your price chart. Usually when you open up your price chart, you are going to find your volume on the x-axis, on the time axis of your price chart. What that volume looks at, it basically looks at the total amount of a financial asset that is traded at a given point in time. Now, the volume profile, on the other hand, is a tool that was developed specifically to look at the total volume that is traded, not limited to a particular time period, but at a given price. So let's say the price of gold rallies to $3,000 per ounce of gold. Now the volume profile will look at currently how much gold is being traded at $2,000 per gold, how much gold was traded at $2,500 per ounce, as well as how much gold was traded at $3,000 per gold. The aim of this tool is to basically show levels on the price chart where supply or demand distributions are very high. Is to show levels on the price chart, specific price levels where you have increased buying or increased selling activities going on, which is contrary to what we have in the case of the regular volume, where you have volume showing activities going on at a particular point in time. The key component of the volume profile tool is the high, open, low and close, like we have with our regular candlestick, high, open and close. And then we have the point of control, the value area, the high volume nodes, low volume nodes. High and low volume nodes shows where we have, like the name implies, high volumes and low volume nodes, while value area shows where value basically is. But for the most of the cases, the emphasis with volume profile is usually on the point of control, because that is usually where the most pressure, the most market activities is going on. That is where you have the most weight of the distribution basically. And usually traders who want to look at, in the case of a downtrend, let's say you have this point of control along support levels, traders would want to expect price to react from that support level, as well as in the case of, let's say, in a resistance level, for example, you have this point of controls as levels where traders will be looking to sell that resistance. So basically, in a bullish market, traders will be looking to buy point of controls, while in a bearish market, traders will be looking to sell this point of control. Now, there are different type of volume profile. There is the session volume profile, which is illustrated here. It basically just shows the total volume for a trading session against the price levels. And then there's the candlestick volume profile, which basically shows the volume profile of each candlestick. Basically shows the distribution of volume along each candlesticks as illustrated in this image. And then we have the regular volume profile, which traders can plot on particular price levels on their price chart. Now let's look at how traders look to trade volume profile. Now, like mentioned earlier, in a bullish market, traders will be looking to buy this point of controls level. Traders will be looking to buy the levels where we have high trading activities going on when price pull back to this point of control levels on the volume profile tool. While in a supply market or in a bearish market, traders will be looking to sell these levels of point of control as resistance. So in a bullish market, point of control would usually serve as support, while in a bearish market, this point of control will serve as resistance, pushing prices down. So guys, that's it for now. I remain Monaco Daniel, the mastermind trader from the world's most populous Black nation. I'll see you all in the next video.